Get us out!
Open the door! What happened?
Why are we all dead? Oh no.
Yeah.
You
You
could.
just said hey. What was that?
I don't know what I just saw, but it's bad. I don't know what the fuck that thing is.
I'm gonna have a look.
He's coming! Oh lord, he's coming! Oh lord!
I scanned it! I scanned
He's
it!
coming!
Oh, look at that! Is that a face? Oh, that's not a face. Oh, there's another bridge. Oh! There's bad stuff.
Yeah. Is there?
Yeah, have a look.
How bad?
Let's go. Oh, it's gone. Oh my god, that scared me.
That's just tea.
That-
That's just tea. That's just
But
cool. Don't be scared of tea.
how was Key in here? I promise you, there was a big scary thing.
Danny's dead.
Oh, look, cogs,
Oh my god! Look at all these cogs.
cogs. All right, line it up, line it up.
Because of the tech, you know.
Quicksand.
Wow, what? Come back.
Happened?
Danny just died.
Oh. Why?
I don't know.
An engine. Pull.
Ah. Oh, that's pointing.
It's an engine, I know.
Yeah. Oh, what? It's got a ladder.
Okay.
This isn't useful.
We're experimenting.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh! This looks like a nice, lovely morning on this planet.
So?
Ah! Are you kidding?
Holy fuck, I'm almost dead.
Fortnite. Cogs! Hello? Hi. What happened?
You guys okay?
Cheat? What? Die, bug. He's already dead.
Oh, yeah.
He's already dead.
I don't think so. That door was closed.
Oh my god, quick, kill him. Raven, kill the thing.
No, hit it.
I'm the best. I saved you. What?
Good.
What?
I'm dead, guys.
Shadow. Yeah. The shadow guy is the one that like you want to scare him, but not too much.
I tried to hit him. I won't let them take me alive.
Well, line.
Hello?
I'm staying near the light.
He's just sitting in the.
So we can see what
sitting
we're
in
doing.
the.
Okay.
Die! Cool. Oh, wait.
Well, Danny died. Success.
I killed Danny, I think.
I know Key had a key, but I don't know what key is.
Oh no.
Yeah, I think he went the way that Paul and I.
Ah!
This way. This way. Wait, you went hers. You went hers.
What do we do? It's jumping over nothing. We're screwed. What the go. Woohoo!
Paul, bad things have happened. The others are dead.
Oh.
So we all went in this fire escape, right?
Yeah.
And Pehnk got attacked by a bug, and then we saw him die. But then me and Key left back through the fire exit, but we realised Pehnk had the whoopee cushion, and we didn't want to lose the whoopee cushion.
A whoopee
So we went
cushion?
back inside. Then a bracken appeared and killed Key, and then I left. And Key also had the zap gun, so we need to get both those things. I don't know how.
There's a whoopee cushion in there?
That's my story. There was a bracken right on the other side of the store. I'm gonna try.
Are you saying there's a whoopee cushion in here?
Yeah, whoopee cushion and a bracken.
Nap
Oh, he's
snack.
definitely dead, isn't he? Oh, shit.
Wait, what's my arm doing? My god, the light.
Oh, one of them's definitely...
What the hell? Oh,
Oh, no.
that's not good.
Paul, I think it's time to leave.
Yeah, they're both dead. Fuck.
That ain't it, Chief.
That wasn't it.
Got any Drake on this thing?
This is Drake's new album. If he was good.
Could you imagine if Drake doesn't release to Spotify or YouTube, he releases to the Lethal Company jukebox? Paul. Back up.
Yeah, you tell him.
I'm dead.
Oh, he's
my
done
God.
it.
It's a jetpack. It was on sale, 140.
Oh my goodness. Whoa, he's gone.
There's a walk.
There you go. Be
Okay.
careful, don't die. And don't lose it.
Whoa.
Wow.
Oh dear. I'm dead. Ah, you coward.
How?
GG.
I thought everybody was
Alright.
dead. Nobody was moving.
Paul was under
Paul
the
was
ship.
stuck under the ship.
Oh.
Where did she go?
I don't know.
G.
Ah, run!
What happened? Oh.
I hate this. Why is this happening?
Just unplug your mouse to plug it
Just,
back in.
unplug your mouse.
Now
on
I
a
have to
controller.
find out which one is my mouse.
Oh no.
Oh no.
He's breaking his neck.
I don't have them labeled. Who do you think I am? Some kind of mouse guy?
Does your mouse have a special cable type?
Uh-oh.
What's your favorite movie, Paul?
Ah.
Oh god.
Okay, buddy.
What?
Buddy?
What do I do?
He's dead. I think you're gone.
I think I'm screwed.
Where?
Can you make it to the land? No, you're on the wrong side. You're on the water side. You're dead, buddy.
I've got an idea.
Okay.
Fuck! Come on,
You're
get out,
alive?
get out, get out, get out, get out, get out of the water. Get out, but better. I can do it! I can do it! Ah! Can you buy me a jetpack?
I know, I don't think we have the funds yet.
I'm gonna level with you, bud.
I think it's over.
This is it.
No, why did you leave me? I was on Ass Patrol.
What's your favorite movie, Paul?
I haven't seen that one.
Watch this drive.
Okay, go for it.
How's it going?
Pehnk died.
I see. This was a failed jump, was it?
Ah, yes. You can do it! Oh. What's in there?
Some of us aren't bitches.
I've only got this, and
What the fuck was that?
there's a thing.
Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.
I can't go anywhere now.
Okay, bye.
Fuck off. What? How do we get out of here?
Follow my voice backwards and to the left. Backwards and to the left, backwards to the left. Backwards a little bit, yeah, okay, so backwards towards me, yeah. You're gonna come downstairs towards me. Down the stairs, okay. Okay, now you're gonna come right. Right. That's it, keep going right. Backwards. Keep backwards, okay, now to the right a little bit. Okay, backwards. Okay, now
my
you're gonna
God.
come to the left. Follow me to the left here. We're gonna make it, you and me. We're gonna come to the right. I don't know the way. Stay there. Stay
okay.
there, stay still. I'm gonna find the way.
Godspeed.
Oh god, that's not good.
Oh.
There's a dead body here. Hang on a second. I
Okay.
just need to scout. I just need to scout a little bit.
Everything's fine.
Stay still.
I've got a metal sheet.
So good.
Oh no!
What was that?
What happened?
Oh god! Oh no!
Oh, there were two.
Paul, are you alive?
No.
That's awful.
Paul.
Oh, he's dead, dude. He's very dead.
Okay. I'm sorry, Paul.
He has done so much.
Oh, look at Key! Look at Key!
Oh my god.
Oh my
Unlucky.
God.
Unlucky.
Welcome to the bad
Oh, I'm
hallway.
so mad. There was so much stuff there.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. That's the way things are.
He's not fine.
He's not fine.
Leave, 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 leave.
It's fine.
Okay.
Oh god!
Don't go near the edges of the ship.
Fuck you! Oh god!
Down?
This is a locked door, and I see something pushing a shotgun through it.
What the hell is that?
Oh god!
It's a
I don't know what that
nutcracker.
is, but I don't like it.
It's a nutcracker.
It's a nutcracker. They cocked the shotgun.
Shall I open the... Ah! Oh my goodness. What happened there?
Oh, you want me to jump? All right.
You can stay there if you want.
I'm going childish Gambino mode.
Okay. Oh god damn it.
When they TP in,
They'll need
on
some
the
TP.
toilet.
Toilet paper.
Excellent.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That was I don't like when you kick my shit.
Oh.
My beautiful boy. Wait a minute. He took my shovel.
This is what happens when you get too drunk. Oh, what's he doing?
Oh my
Oh.
god, he's hitting it. He's hitting it.
Until next time.
Until next time.
Good night.